Okay, good morning, second PUC students. Today we are going to the topic integrals some particular functions. Integrals of some particular functions. Okay. First, before some formulas are there. Before, what is the formulas? First one, integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. A x square 2x square 3x square there is no this type of function, only x square minus a square means 2 square 3 square, that type of a. 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. Okay, next another one, second one is integral 1 by a square minus x square dx. Both are signs without root, no root and minus. First x square minus a square means x minus a by x plus a. X square minus a square dx is equal to x minus a by x plus a. Integral a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod not a minus x by a plus x, a plus x by a minus x. So this is the formula. So 1 by x square plus a square dx or a square plus x square, a plus b is equal to b plus a plus. Same way, not a square minus x square is not equal to x square minus a square. So the difference plus minus. First x square means x minus a by x plus a. Next first a square means a plus x by a minus a, not a minus x by a plus a. So x square plus a square or a square plus x square. So what is the formula? Actual formula? Integral 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square means 1 square. Integral 1 by 1 square plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x. Same, tan inverse 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay. Next, integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. A square minus x square dx. Before known formula. What is known formula? 1 by root of 1 minus x square or 1 square minus x square is equal to 1 minus x square means sin inverse x. So this is same, sin inverse x by a plus c. Next, integral 1 by root of a square plus x square without root tan inverse, with root log mod x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. Integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx is equal to log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. These 6 formulas. 6 formulas important, and formula derivation proof is also important. These 6 formulas proof 5 marks question, 100% 5 marks question. It comes 99% of your examination. Proof. Okay, today only problems proof. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is proof. Very important. Okay, next Sunday, second piece students, next Saturday or Sunday, Sunday, okay, Sunday, exam integrations up to Saturday, syllabus is up to Saturday syllabus, Saturday exam, Saturday or Sunday, anyone, okay, this is proof first. Okay, find integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. Find the value of integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. This is the first one, very important to 5 marks question. So solution, given integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to integral, listen carefully, a square minus b square formula, 1 by a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, 1 by x plus a into x minus a dx. So that is equal to integral x plus a minus of x minus a by x plus a into x minus a dx. So, no? Simplify, x plus a minus x plus x cancel, plus a minus of minus a plus a plus a is equal to 2a. So, 1 by 2a divide. Okay, this is x plus a minus x minus a. Okay, next, that is equal to 1 by 2a into integral divide x plus a by x plus a into x minus a minus x minus a by x plus a into x minus a dx. Divide, separate. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2a. X plus a 1 x plus a cancel, x minus a 1 x minus a cancel, integral 1 by x minus a dx minus integral 1 by x plus a dx. That is equal to 1 by 2a into integral 1 by x. Integral 1 by x is equal to log x. Integral 1 by x is equal to log x. This is also same, log x. So that is equal to 1 by 2a into log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b, a x minus a by x plus a plus c. Therefore, integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, the first one. Second one, find integral 1 by a square minus x square dx. Solution: integral 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to, same as it is, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So 1 by 2a into, same, a plus x plus a plus x plus a minus x by a plus x into a minus x dx. Okay, simplify. A plus x plus a 2a plus x plus into minus x cancel, plus x minus x cancel, so 2a. E 2a divide 2a means both are cancel. Okay, we'll get before one. So 1 by 2a into integral, divide a plus x by a plus x into a minus x dx, integral plus direct matter plus a minus x by a plus x into a minus x dx. So that is equal to 1 by 2a into integral 1 by a plus x plus cancel a minus x dx plus integral a minus x 1 by a plus x dx. Okay, next. So integral 1 by x is equal to, integral 1 by x is equal to log x, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log mod x is equal to a minus x by minus 1, no, because derivative of a minus x is equal to, derivative of a minus x is equal to 0, minus x derivative minus 1, no, plus log mod a plus x plus c. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2a into log a minus log b is equal to log a, this is minus b, a plus x by a minus x plus c. Therefore integral 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Okay, listen carefully once again. Okay, this is the given problem. With a square minus b square formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Simplify, numerator, this is into, okay, this is x plus a minus x minus a, numerator, these two are subtract these two numbers. Means a, x plus a minus x plus x cancel, minus of minus a plus a 2a, 2a by 2a divide cancel. So get before steps, same step. So divide x plus a by this one by this one, minus this by this, cancel, same one cancel, x minus a minus x minus. So integral 1 by x log x into by derivative of x minus a. Derivative of x minus a is equal to derivative of x1, a derivative 0, same as it is. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Same, first one, second one, same. Here a square minus x square. A square minus x square, a plus x into a minus x. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here subtraction 2a. We get 2a, okay, 2a constant. So here a plus x plus a minus a, x cancel ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, we have to cancel both x because x is a variable. Okay, so constant, no problem, there is no problem of constant. So divide and multiply. The compulsory we have to cancel x. Here the minus means cancelled x. Here plus means cancelled x because different problem is different. By the depending on the problem, the two functions the plus or minus, you have to check this one. A1 by integral 1 by x. Integral 1 by x is equal to log x. So derivative of a minus x minus 1. So by minus 1 plus 1 by x log x. Derivative of a plus x 1. So by 1. Log a minus log b by log a by b. Log is a, there is no a, that is the a minus b. Log a minus log b equal log a by b. This is the first two, very simple. The derivation is very simple but very important 5 marks question in our examination. It comes 99% of in our examination. Okay, clear? Next. Okay, next, third one. Integral, find integral 1 by x square plus a square dx. Integral 1 by x square plus a square dx, third one. So solution, integral first a square minus b square, okay, formula is there, a square plus b into a minus b. Here a square plus b square, there is no formula, so that's why put x is equal to a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta. Put, very important one here, plus both sides, a square plus b square, plus is there, but put x is equal to a tan theta. So that implies tan theta is equal to x by a. Tan theta is equal to x by a. So integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to integral 1 by x square. What is x? A tan theta. X square bodulu, instead of a tan theta whole square plus a square as it is, dx dx. Integral, okay, x is equal to a tan theta, derivative x is equal to a tan theta. So dx is equal to derivative madu, gap illa, so okay, no problem. x is equal to a tan theta, differentiate with respect to x, x derivative dx and 1 no. Okay, x derivative is to 1 no is equal to a constant, derivative of tan theta tan x secant square x, so secant square theta into derivative of theta d theta by dx, because with respect to theta, so dx is equal to a into secant square theta d theta, dx is equal to a into secant square theta d theta. So integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to integral 1 by what is x, x is equal to a tan theta whole square plus a square, what is dx, dx is equal to a into secant square theta d theta. So that is equal to integral 1 by a square tan square theta, a square tan square theta plus a square into a into secant square theta d theta, these are same. First that is equal to integral 1 by a square common with the denominator, a square common tan square theta plus 1 into a into secant square theta d theta. So next one, that is equal to integral 1 by a square into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta into a secant square theta d theta, secant square theta into d theta, secant square theta secant cancel, 1a cancel, 1 by a this is the constant, secant square cancel, secant square cancel d theta. So 1 by a into integral dx is equal to x, integral d theta is equal to theta. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into tan theta is equal to x, that implies what is theta, theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Tan theta is equal to x by a, theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. So 1 by a, theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x by a plus c. Therefore integral 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. Once again, integral 1 by x square plus a square, here plus means there is no formula, minus means a square minus b square formula, here plus means there is no formula, that's why x is equal to a tan theta, because tan square theta plus 1 not secant square theta. So plus means must be taken a tan theta is equal to x by a, theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. So derivative with respect to 1 derivative, x derivative 1 no, a constant, 2 tan theta derivative secant square theta, and derivative of theta is equal to d theta by dx. So dx goes to left side, dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. So this is the problem, x square plus a square dx. What is x? X is equal to a tan theta whole square, a tan theta whole square plus a square. So dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. So a tan theta whole square is equal to a square tan square theta plus a square into a secant square d theta. So a square common. Okay, tan square theta plus 1 no. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Secant cancel, 1a cancel. 1 by a constant to separate from the integral. So d theta. Integral d theta is equal to theta. What is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. This is all. Okay. Next. Next one, fourth one is equal to integral 1 by root of x square plus a square. Third one is without root of x square plus y square. Fourth one is equal to root of x square plus a square. Plus means in root or with root or without root. Plus means must be a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta is equal to x by a, theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a, derivative same as it is. So this is root of x square plus a square. So same root, only root, difference is only root is difference. Okay, root of x is equal to a tan theta whole square, a square tan square theta, a square comma tan square theta plus 1. So tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. A square, so okay, a square and secant integral 1 by a secant theta root a square a root secant square theta secant theta into a secant square theta d theta. A cancel, 1 secant cancel. So integral secant theta d theta. Integral secant theta is equal to log mod secant theta plus tan theta plus c. What is the formula of integral secant theta? Direct formula. Integral secant theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. So log mod secant theta is equal to, okay, tan theta is equal to x by a. Tan theta is equal to what? Secant square theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. That is equal to log mod root of what is tan theta? X by a. 1 plus x square by a square plus tan theta is equal to x by a plus c. That is equal to log mod root of LCM a square plus x square by root of a square is equal to a plus x by a plus c. So that is equal to log mod x plus root of x square plus a square by a plus c, because LCM. So this is a constant. So that is equal to log mod x plus root of x square plus a square log a by b. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. So log a minus log b minus log a plus c. These both are c. So that is equal to log mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, the direct secant theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. So secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta is equal to what? X by a. Simplify. Root of a square a LCM. This is minus log a. Minus log a. Minus log a is a constant too, but both are constant too. So this is the answer. Okay. Find integral 1 by root of x square minus a square. First of all, put x is equal to a secant theta. X is equal to a secant theta. So that implies secant theta is equal to x by a. That implies theta is equal to secant inverse x by a. So integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. So integral 1 by root of x square, x is equal to a secant theta whole square minus a square. So derivative dx is equal to derivative of secant theta into tan theta. X is equal to a secant theta, derivative of x dx, secant derivative secant theta, and derivative of secant x into tan x. So a square. So dx is equal to a secant theta into tan theta d theta. So that is equal to integral 1 by root of a secant theta a square secant square theta minus a square a into secant theta into tan theta d theta. That is equal to integral 1 by root of a square common secant square theta minus 1 secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1, same way a into secant theta into tan theta d theta. So that is equal to integral 1 by root a square a secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Root of tan square theta is equal to tan theta into a into secant theta into tan theta d theta. So a tan theta cancel. Integral secant theta d theta. Finally, integral secant theta tan theta. Integral secant theta ella cancel, secant cancel. This is integral secant theta d theta is equal to formula log mod secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. So here secant theta is x by a, okay, but tan theta is equal to, so that is equal to integral secant theta d theta. Integral secant theta d theta is equal to log mod secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta plus c. That is equal to log mod secant theta plus root of tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1 Okay, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 So tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So secant theta is equal to what? X by a plus root of x square by a square minus 1 plus c. That is equal to log mod x by a plus root of LCM a square. So x square minus a square plus c. That is equal to log mod LCM a x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Root of a square a, LCM a, x plus root of a square. So log a by b is equal to log x plus root of x square minus a square. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b plus c. These are all constant. Log a constant plus c constant. Constant plus constant. So integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx is equal to log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. The fifth one, no, sixth one, what is the sixth one? Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. So here put x is equal to, put x is equal to a sin theta. This is the homework. We can try. In the x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. Prayatna ಮಾಡಿ. You have to try, otherwise I will discuss tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow the problems of these problems, on the problems. Okay, problems by this formulas. This is very important one. The six questions, 6 formal derivations are very important. So compulsory one question in the examination. So we have to try, we have to practice perfectly. Okay, tomorrow I will continue the problems of these formulas.